Good morning, or should I say bore da, croeso I Cymru. Well, we're in Wales. We stayed in Penclawdd last night. This is Penclawdd, and we're now heading on down to Fishguard to catch the ferry to Rosslare. We've already had showers this morning, so I'm expecting nothing less, and I'm sure some of them will be heavy. So we will update you as we go. But currently the weather is a glorious 17 to 18 degrees. It's very comfortable, the roads are dry, but I bet you a pound to a penny that it won't stay like that for too much longer. It's been pretty much dual carriageways up until this point, but the roads have tightened up, the sun's come out, and so have the colours. So we're about 30 miles from Fishguard now. It's about an hour and 3/4 from where we started. Up until this point the weather's been pretty grim, to say the least, and there's nothing worse than footage of wet motorways and dual carriageways. But we are on our way now. I think we're about 50 minutes away from Fishguard, and at least now we've got something green to look at, which is nice. Let's take our time and just enjoy the rest of the ride. Well, just coming into Fishguard now, towards the docks, and I can see the Irish Sea. Might be the first time I've ever seen the Irish Sea, actually, because I don't think I've ever been this far out into West Wales before. But as we come over this hill now, I think you'll be able to see it as well. Fishguard looks lovely, by the way. Really pretty. You might see it just over there, over those trees. So we're nearly there. It's been a good ride, actually, really good ride. After we got past pretty much Llanelli and up onto the A48 towards Carmarthen, it actually kind of dried out. It's a bit cloudy in places, but I can live with cloud. Cloud's good. But I can honestly say no longer am I known as a fair weather biker, because I've done 2 trips and both of them have been absolute washouts, at least at the start. So that looks like our ferry up there. Getting all excited now. Oh, good island! Woohoo! And fingers crossed it'll be a nice straightforward entry onto the ferry, not like Dover, which was pretty much an hour-and-a-half queue just to get into the ferry port. But we shall see. Oh, there's quite a few people here. They're obviously having breaks here before they get on the ferry. So it looks like we've pulled in for fuel just as they're starting some sort of parade. Amazing, yeah, amazing. They've got a band, they've got floats, it's like a carnival. That was completely different to Dover. We got to the the kiosk, the check-in. First people there, no queue. The lady asked for my registration number. I gave it to her. She handed us a bit of ticket and said, "That's it." And we're straight in. Look at this, beautiful here, absolutely gorgeous. Lane 1. Right, so I think that's it, love. We're here. Just wait for everything else to unload from the other one, and then we can get on. All right. Another bump, bigger bump. Right, I can't see where over there. Okay.